Huwag mong i-accept sa contractor mo if hindi mo pa na-check ang mga bagay na ito. Walls at finishes. Siguraduhin walang cracks, uneven paints, o sirang tiles. Doors at windows. Dapat smooth magbukas at magsara. At dapat tama ang alignment. Flooring at cabinets. Dapat pantay, secured, at maayos ang pagkakagawa. Plumbing. Tingnan ko may tagas, sapat ang water pressure, at walang baradong drainage. Electrical. I-test lahat ng outlet, switches, at ilaw para ma-check kung gumagana at ligtas gamitin. At kung may makita na minor issues, ilagay agad sa punch list para maayos bago ang final acceptance. Ang turnover isn't about perfection. It's making sure your home is safe, functional, ready na tirhan.
Appalachian sunrise meets my